The global fresh pasta salad industry was valued at over $8 billion in 2024 and is expected to grow by over 6 to 8% annually through the year 2032. This growth can be attributed to convenience, greater varieties, hassle-free meals, and ease of consumption. Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, President here at Lyco Manufacturing. We are shipping another cooking and cooling solution for the ready-to-eat pasta salad industry, which is ideal for various pastas such as macaroni, bow ties, rotini, and spirals. This line consists of the CleanFlow cooker and CleanFlow cooler, and it is set up for low-risk, high-care facilities. A transfer flume conveys the product from the low-risk room through a wall into the high-care room. CleanFlow was designed in 2006 with over 100 systems running globally, and it is proven to be the most sanitary pasta cooker or cooler in the world. Our patented HydroFlow agitation gently handles and helps eliminate sticking and clumping losses. Time and time again, customers are seeing a 10 to 15% increase with higher recovery. So we invite you to visit Lyco's 10,000 square foot lab and schedule a time to run your products in our state-of-the-art facility. Please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.